What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Cool Kids YouTube channel. We are back in Houston. City is called Pasadena. Let's go. The only Nike clearance store in the Houston area. This place opened up 10 minutes ago. I did hit up one of the outlets that opened at 10. This spot opens at 11. Took a little drive. All right, let's go. See some resellers with a bunch of stuff already, so we gotta get here early. I do see some Air Force Ones. These are canvas, which are definitely interesting. Nike by You, $70. Whenever you see a Nike by You, you can buy it for hella cheap. Got some Jordan 37 lows right here, go for 80. Take One 4s. So this one he was with the Lakers, 50 bucks. We saw these for 70 at the outlets, go for 100 here, because there's no 30% off. Got the Tatums, go for 100 bucks. Got some Air more Up-Tempos, aka Up-Tempo 96s. Just not digging this colorway, but great to see them here and great to see them for $80. Jordan 1 Low Elevates. This is a women's, but they threw them over here. Penny 2s. I was wondering if this is one of the locations where everything's still under 100 bucks. Guess not. Guess not. $170 for those. I think in Arizona it's still like that. The Just Forces go for $170. These are all size 10.5s. Cosmic Unities go for $70. So they got one row right here, and then they got another row right there, all size. That one side was 10.5. These are all 10, so pretty good size. LeBron 9s go for 100. I said size 10, right? Yeah, moving on to the 10s. Metcon 8s go for $60. 2090s go for 80. First Jordan Retro, $140 for these. So these are what? I think these were 200, so it's not bad. Starting to go down. Air Max 1s right here. These are premium, go for $140. 2s getting no love. Another one of those, $140. Got some Nike by Yous right here. These are Pegasus 40. These are some wide 4Es right here. These are down to what, $80. Jordan 7s right here, $160 for these. I want to say we've seen them cheaper, right? Another one of those. Do see the Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, $80. That is a hell of a deal. Holy cow! Especially for the comfort. I'm gonna try to find my size. I'll probably find one for my kiddo too. The 4s are the new ones. So yeah, these are down to $80. Hell yeah. That one got the ZoomX, this one got the React. 80, same price. That's at least 60% more comfortable. Air Max 90s, we've been finding these for hella cheap. Pretty decent colorway, $60 right here, wow. All right, we did check the 10.5s. I'm gonna check out some of the clothing first, and then we'll check out the rest of the shoes. They do have some nice hoodies right here. Like this is a pretty thick hoodie. Nike SB. Nike SB, I've never seen that logo. I have a couple Nike SB hoodies. This is $40. Normally $110. These are all larges right here. And this pullover right here is nice. $30 down from $75. This is all large. Pack stuff right here. ThermaFit. I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of this. I don't see a price tag either. More Tech Pack stuff right here. $155 down to $60. That colorway is awful though. It's hella tough to match with that colorway. But yeah, $40 for this medium Jordan sweatshirt right here, down from $110. Track jacket right here in a small, $50. Some hella random Nike SB stuff. I'm so good on this. This does say with more sauce right there. That is kind of funny. These smalls down to $40. Got flight sweatshirts right here, $30 down from $92. I just like hoodies, so I don't know. I don't even use the hood that much, but I just like the hoodies with the pocket in the front. They do got some NBA gear right here. Oh, this is a small. I was like, this is nice. This is hella nice. Got some Rockets gear. It is a small, $120 down to $40. Do they have any other sizes? Does say Houston Rockets in the back. They got larges right here. They got larges for $40. That's dope. And then they got jerseys right here, green. I don't even know who the hell that is. Rockets have been balling, haven't they? Rockets have been balling. And yeah, $40 down from 110. Memphis Grizzlies hoodies right here. It is a large in the front. And these are $25 down from 70 bucks. Got a bunch of them. I would assume they have other sizes. I see a couple larges. Winston Salem State University right here. If you go there, or if you did go there and you can get a hoodie or a size, that's pretty dope. That is pretty dope. 25 bucks. Got a few different ones right there. More Nike SB hoodies right here. This is a different color maybe. $40 down from $110. Just not a fan of that. They do have a black one of those Nike SBs with the interesting logo on it. And I'm assuming that is $40 as well because everything's been 40. Yeah, all the SB hoodies have been 40. PSG hoodie right here, like a dark mustard. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool, but not great. Not great. I wouldn't have anything that matched that. XL going for 30. All right, going back to the sneakers. Let's go with some of the smaller sizes. More of these bad boys. Just God, the colorway so awful. $80 for those. Max 1 premiums, $130. I want to say I've seen these cheaper at the outlets, right? Ja Morant's right here, going for $90. That's a solid price. Dude, if you could find a Nike by you just pretty much get stuff for free. $80. $80 for Dunk highs. This colorway is just way too much. Just way too much. But if you live around a Nike clearance store, stop by here and there because you might be able to find a Nike by you that's pretty fire. These ain't it though. These down to $50. Guess these have not been selling. Originally $145. And yeah, these are a Fly Ease blazer right here. Man, dude, that's just way too much. Way too much. These definitely have more Zoom X than my Pegasus Turbos. Yeah, I'm gonna have to grab one of these eventually. $100. Size 9 Terminators going for $60. More of these Air Max 1 premiums, $140. Got these trainers right here down to $60. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's down to $70. Checking the size 8. I don't think I've checked size 8 in a while. $160 right there. Tatum 1's down to $60. Holy cow. So the clearance center doesn't have the craziest hype, but some of the prices just crazy. $60 for the Tatum 1s. Definitely haven't seen them cheaper than that anywhere. I was like, what's this gold box right here? Got some corduroy Zoom Victories, $100. Told you I've been looking for these Nike by Yous. Nitty Run 4s. Does have React X, doesn't have the Zoom X on it. React X is supposedly the next gen of React. I don't know how much more comfortable that is, but a little too bright for me. Last pair of 8s that I'm gonna check. These are 8.5, I think. But I haven't seen these in forever. Are these the Elements? Oh, React Vision. React Vision remind me of the Elements from, what, like 4 years ago? $70. All right, bigger sizes moving up to the 12s. Checking all the Nike by Yous. These are a blazer, midnight navy blue with the black trimmings on it. What these bad boys going for? $60. More blazers going for $60. These are a suede bad boy right there. Invincible Run Flyknit right here going for $30. God, leave these look so comfy. There's some Air Force One mids. Yep, $60. Okay, okay. When's the last time you seen these Soldiers? Been ages. $60 for the Soldier 14s. Seen a plethora of these. This is a 12.5 right here. 36s going for $70. 36 lows, that is. It's 13 more Nike by Yous right here. Some canvas Air Force One mids. $70. That's cheap. Karachi Nike by Yous. $70. I guess this 40 Nike by Yous. Going for $80. Jordan 7, $160. Air Max 95s, $100. Nike by You. Metcon 9s right here, $70 for those Nike by Yous. Jordan 1 low, OGs. I wonder what the price. $110, so $30 off. Okay. Got some trainers. Turbo green, $60, and then some Jordan 1 high golf, $150. Got Ahmad right here, who is a viewer. Definitely appreciate you, dude. These are fire, dude. Is this your size?
Yeah.
This is fire, and they use like, it's like a suede, but it's like stamped or something, embossed. But these are dope, and these are $80. We were just talking for a few minutes, and like Nike IDs, that's the way to go. Nike by you. And then got some Just Forces, the Travis Scott Jordan 4 colorway right there. That's what that reminds me of. But hey, definitely appreciate you sharing these. This is dope. I'm jealous that you found that in your size. All right, the bigger sizes, size 14, 15 right here. Dang it, I gotta go though, man. Maude and I, we were talking for a cool minute. I love talking to you guys when you guys do come up and say what's up, man. We're talking about sneakers for a minute. I'm gonna check a little bit of the apparel, and I gotta move on. I gotta go to one last spot before I leave Houston. Is this a dress shirt? This is a dry fit. What the hell? This is huge, I think. Yeah, triple XL. Does have the Super Bowl logo on it. $40 normally, $125. They got the bougie sweaters as well. If you need to be bougie, $175 down to $60. Those are double XLs. Got the Tech Fleece quadruple XL. You know they're getting rid of these. Yeah, $70 down from $130. Got a windbreaker, $40. These are XLs right here. The Nike Flight windbreaker right here, down to $40 as well. Ooh, what is this? This is a LeBron jacket right here. Strive for greatness. Nice little jacket, $60 from $160. This is a nice jacket, $100 off. Holy cow, they got a couple of them. That one's a medium. This is an XL. Yeah, medium and XL. Damn, those are nice. Tentacumpo jacket, $40. Got the Gore-Tex trench coat. These are hella expensive. $375 down to $100. Yeah, I'm good. Sometimes like you think about it and you're like, you got to tell yourself you're good. But Nike FC, $30 down from $130. ACG windbreaker right here, $145. $145 down to $50. Those are hella thin too. I really like this hoodie right here. This is dry fit material. And yeah, $40. And the pockets, you can't even tell it has pockets. Pockets on the down low. Okay. All right, I think we got everything, or most things. And they do have a ton of Nike by Use. Apparently they dropped a bunch on Friday. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm hoping to stop by one more stop before I go to the airport right now. Hopefully I can stop by the Galleria Mall, the biggest mall in Houston. One of the biggest malls in the US. I think it's like number 5 or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you have a one. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop another video, because I do drop a lot of videos. 2 videos yesterday, 1 video today. That's pretty much about it, man. If you guys really want to support, help a boy out, join that membership button. I drove 250 miles yesterday, today alone. Still got a little more to go. So yeah, we're out, you guys. There's the Toyota Center right in the middle of downtown. That's the first time I've seen it. Pretty dope backdrop for the Toyota Center.